Discover it versus Wells Fargo Active Cash. Watch before getting. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which credit card is better among Discover It and Wells Fargo Active Cash. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Discover It credit card. Discover offers 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories up to the quarterly and 1% on all other purchases. Discover will match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year, effectively doubling your rewards. No annual fee, making it a cost effective option for earning cashback. Cashback can be redeemed at any time for any amount as a statement credit, direct deposit, or gift cards. 0% EPRA on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months, followed by a variable EPRA. Somehow, it requires activation each quarter, and the categories may not always align with your spending habits. 5% cashback is capped at a quarterly maximum, limiting the potential rewards. Now let's come towards Wells Fargo Active Cash. Active Cash offers unlimited 2% cashback on all purchases, offering a higher flat rate compared to many other cashback cards. Generous introductory offer of $200 bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. 0% EPRA on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, followed by a variable EPRA. No annual fee, making it a cost-effective option for earning cashback. Includes cell phone protection when you pay your monthly bill with the card, adding extra value for cardholders. While the flat 2% cashback is competitive, there are no higher earning bonus categories for specific spending. Charges a 3% foreign transaction fee, which can be a drawback for international use. Cashback redemption options may be less flexible compared to the Discover Rewards program. Choosing between the Discover It and Wells Fargo Active Cash depends on your spending habits and reward preferences. The Discover It is ideal for those who can take advantage of the rotating 5% cashback categories and who appreciate the first year cashback match. On the other hand, the Wells Fargo Active Cash offers a straightforward 2% cashback on all purchases with no need to track or activate categories. Consider your specific financial needs and preferences to determine which card aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.